beautiful girl. Can you guys do your animal chores?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I can walk. Oh, wait.
You're gonna vlog like daddy?
Yeah. Like, who are you? You're the lady that showed me in the car? Yep. We'll see. And one of them draining this or draining that. And I fell the other day in the barn. With display. Glad I'm not the only one that just like, it is so awkward getting it off on.
No, it's horrible.
It's awful. I'm like, ah, 'cause I'm always
you
scared.
have to like smush them in there.
And then it's like,
Yeah.
rolling it off. All done.
He did so good. What a good boy. He's like, am I a good boy? I feel like a good girl right now. This is the one I had considered keeping on as a buck to get maybe another doe out of Elpis, a standard doe out of Elpis, but then I got Elsa and I was like, never mind.
Never mind.
I don't need it.
That's why I keep thinking, I'm like, maybe I want to get a full-size nip. No, I don't. No, I
No.
don't. I have 4.
It's a lot of buck to handle.
Yes. And it's a lot of milk, too, if you're looking at the standards. And minis produce just as well sometimes, you know.
Yeah. They did so good. Over there nursing. Here's our boy.
Next we put you in a crate.
It's only temporary, my love. Goodbye, bro. Goodbye, weenies, bro. Goodbye. begonias.
Huh, I've never heard of it.
You know those yellow flowers that I had in here last year?
Oh yeah.
Right in the entrance? Yeah, it's like that, but
Forgot it.
these are different colors.
Forgot about that.
So on their travels, they were going from city to city teaching people about Jesus. But some of the cities that they were going to go to, somehow or another, the Holy Spirit told them not to go there. Now I want you to write a 500-word essay on what I read to you.
No bear.
I'm kidding, you can go.
Ew. It's creepy.
What? You've never seen me do that?
No.
Oh, from that side?
Yes. I thought you were gonna eat it. I thought you were going.
Come here. Okay, you gonna come in here? Gonna give him some?
There's Winnie right there. I think she wants one.
Winnie, don't you dare come through this fence, I swear. No, she wants a bottle.
Oh, you gave him some?
Yeah.
This is yours. Thank you. Yeah. Ow. I'm not a snack. I'm not an animal cracker.
I want a snack too. He keeps taking my finger.